Hello lovely viewer, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for your support, thanks for always coming back, thanks for the old and newcomer. God bless you all. So today's video, it's all about quick wear donut hair packer. My name is Helen Okoro. I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful hair. Please stay tuned to the end so you see how beautiful it is and understand more better. Please, if today is your first time watching my video, like, comment and share to your friends if you found this video helpful. The hair I'm using is Yuma hair braid. If you have any question or you have any contribution, please don't forget to drop it at the comment section. Hit the bell notification so anytime I upload video, you'll be notified. See you on my next video. Bye bye.